Hi, I am Divakar. In this lecture, I will discuss the topic signal flow graph, in short SFG, which is a part of basic of control systems. We know the importance of control system in GATE exams is very important. If we see the history of GATE exams or last previous year GATE questions, every year 8 to 10 marks questions came from the control systems. Okay, and we know control system is very easy and a scoring subjects. If with some focus on these subjects, we can get easily 8 to 10 marks in GATE exam. Okay, signal flow graph. What is the purpose to learn signal flow graph? Okay, so purpose is to find the overall transfer function of the systems. Okay, so to learn signal flow graph, purpose is to find the overall transfer function of the systems. Okay, SFG, which was first presented by S.J. Mason of MIT in 1953. Okay, the defined signal flow graph is basically a picture of a set of linear algebraic equation which shows the interaction among the all variables, stresses cause effect relationship within the device, and allow a speedy solution of system response to the various equation. Because of this, it is widely used in dynamic control systems. Okay, like example, radar tracking an aircraft, or a voltage regulator trying to oppose the effect of a suddenly applied electric field. Okay, all these examples seems to separate engineering problems, but the equation which governs their behavior are similar. Okay, all these problems are all related by linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay, and we know Laplace transform an efficient tool for converting linear differential equation to linear algebraic equation. Okay, and we can define SFG is a graphical representation of set of linear algebraic equation between input and output, and we know the set of linear algebraic equation represents the system. Okay, signal flow graph is also developed to avoid mathematical calculation like solving integral or differential equation or linear algebraic equations. Okay, so SFG is also developed to avoid mathematical calculation like solving integral, differential equation or linear algebraic equations. Okay, now construction. Okay, construction SFG to LAE, linear algebraic equations. We have a set of linear algebraic equations: y2 equal to y1 plus 2 y3, y3 equal to 3y2 plus 4y4, y4 equal to 5y3 plus 6y4 plus 7y5, and y5 equal to 8y4 plus 9y2, y6 equal to y5. Okay, we have a set of these linear algebraic equations. Now from this we have to construct SFG. Okay, so all these y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 all are variables. Okay, now these all variables represents by a node. Okay, I will discuss later what is node. First, all these variables represented by a node. So simply note this y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. All these variables represented by node. Okay, now come these equations. y2 is y1 plus 2y3. Okay, y2 is a summation of y1 plus 2y3. Okay, so this y2 equal to y1 So we draw a branch y1, which gain will be 1 because y2 equal to y1. Now y1 plus 2y3. Okay, so from y3 we have a branch to y2, which gain will be 2. Now you see here y2 at this node, okay, y1 plus 2y3. Okay, now similarly y3 equal to 3y2 plus 4y4. Okay, so y3 equal to 3y3. So we have to draw a branch y2 to y3, okay, which gain will be 3, and 4y4 from y4 to y3, okay, which gain will be 4. Okay, so y3 equal to 3y2 plus 4y4. Okay, now next is 5y3 plus 6y4 plus 7y5. Okay, so y4 equal to 5y3, so 5y3, okay, 6y4, okay, 6y4. So this is my node of y4. So here 6y4. So we have a 6y4 plus 7y5, 7y5. Okay, now next is y5 equal to 8y4 plus 9y2. Okay, so y5 equal to 8y4, okay, plus 9y2 plus, this is my node y2. Okay, so 9y2. Okay, so 9y2. Okay, now next y6 equal to y5. So y6 equal to y5, which gain will be 1. Okay, so from this set of linear algebraic equation we draw the SFG signal flow graph easily. Okay, simply we have to go a step by step. First we do for first linear algebraic equation, then for second algebraic equation, then for third, then fourth, and so on. Okay, then we draw the algebraic equation SFG. Okay, now terminology in signal flow graph. Okay, so the node in the SFG are variables that are current and voltage in the electrical network, where as the path gain are impedance or system component. Okay, nodes basically are three types: source node, sink node, mix node. Okay, source node which is having only outgoing branches, sink node which is having only incoming branches, and mix node which is having incoming as well as outgoing branches. Okay, so from the previous examples, like here, can you tell me which node is source node, sink node, and mix node? Now came here y1. At this node only outgoing branch is there, so this is my source node. Okay, now came here y5. Here at this node only incoming branch, so this is my sink node. So this is my sink node, and this is source node. And all other nodes y2, y3, y4, y5 here as outgoing as well as incoming, both branches is there. So all these y2, y3, y4, y5 will be mixed node. Okay, now next is forward path or forward path gain. Okay, so forward path, the collection of branches between source node to sink node, okay, without intermediate node getting repeated. This is very important. Okay, without intermediate node getting repeated. Okay, so simply forward path is nothing but the collection of branches between source node to sink node, okay, without intermediate node getting repeated. Like we have examples here. This is my SFG. Okay, now for this SFG, can you tell me how many nodes here? Okay, how many nodes here? How many forward path is here? So see, source node to sink node, source node to sink node. This is my x1 source node, this is x4 is sink node. Okay, source node to sink node, we have a one path this, we have a another path this, and we have a another path this. In all these three cases, no any node is repeated. Okay, so the number of forward path is here 3 for these examples. Okay, now came another examples. Here this is my source node, this is my sink node. Okay, so source to sink node we have a one path is this. Okay, one path is this, so this is one forward path. Now in our mind one question in our mind is one is path is also like this. Okay, we can go now, but in definition of forward path is what? Without intermediate node getting repeated. Okay, but here see, for this forward path this node is repeated, so this will be not the valid forward path. Okay, so we have only one this forward path, so number of forward path will be here only one. Okay, now forward path gain. Okay, simply the product of gain term corresponding to forward path is forward path gain. Okay, so the product of gain term corresponding to forward path is forward path gain. Okay, now see these examples. Okay, see these examples. We have a this is x1, this is source node, this x4 is sink node. Okay, so source to sink node we have a two path. One path is this. Okay, and another path is this. Okay, so we have a two forward path for these examples. Okay, so for one path what will be the forward path gain? Simply multiply the gain. So a b d, so a into b into d. So for forward path 1 is represented by p1, so p1 will be a into b into d. Okay, so this is the forward path gain 1. Okay, now for next forward path, okay, p2, what will be the gain for p2? A c into d, so a into c into d. So for these examples we have a two forward path p1 p2, the gain will be abd and acd. Okay, another term is loop or loop gain. Okay, so in SFG the path which starts at some node and end at same node is called as loop. Okay, or we can define loop is a path it terminates at same node where it is started. Okay, so what is node? How can we define the node? Simply in SFG the path which starts at some node, okay, and end at same node is called loop, or we can say that loop is a path it terminates at same node where it is started. Okay, and what is loop gain? Simply the product of gain term corresponding to the loop gain. Okay, corresponding to the loop is loop gain. Okay, so we have to note that while selecting forward path or loop, each node should be touched only once, or I already discussed in the forward path no repeated node allow. Okay, so forward path and loop, for both cases while selecting the forward path or loop, each node should be touched only once. Okay, each node should be touched only once. Okay, now next is non-touching loop gain. Okay, non-touching loop gain. If there is no common node between two loops, then it is called non-touching loop. Okay, how can we define the non-touching loop? Simply if there is no common node between two loops. In two loops, between two loops, if there is no common node, then we can say that it is non-touching loop. Okay, now see the previous examples. For these examples, now we have to find out forward path, individual loop and two non-touching loop. Okay, so for these examples, how many forward path is there? So we have a one forward path, source node to sink node. One path is this. Okay, one path is this, so one forward path and another forward path will be this. Okay, for this forward path also there is a no loop node is repeated. Okay, so we have a two forward paths, so here forward path is 2. Now you tell me how many loops is there. Okay, individual loop. Okay, so for individual loop, what is definition of loop? We start at some node and end at the same node. Now we start from this node. Okay, now we start from this node and end at this node. So now this is a one loop. Okay, now we start from this node and come back to this node. Now this is another loop. We start from this node and come back to this node, so this is another loop. Okay, now we start from this node and come back to this node, so this is another loop. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 loops. One loop is also we start from this node, okay, and come back to this path at same node, so we have another loop is this. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 individual loops. Okay, how many individual loops? We have 5 individual loops. Now again see, for loop we start some nodes, end at the same node. Okay, so this is now individual loop. Again we start from this node, end at this node. Okay, same node, so now this is another loop. We start from this node, end at this node, so this is another loop. Okay, we start from this node and end at this node, so this is another loop. Okay, now for this forward path, we start from this node and come back through this path. Okay, this node, so this is another loop. Okay, so we have 5 individual loops. Now you tell me two non-touching loop gain. Okay, two non-touching loop. Okay, so two non-touching loop gain is what? Simply if any two loops which have no intermediate nodes, then we can say that this is a two non-touching loop gain. Okay, so now see, for this loop and for this loop, this is the node, here this node. So for these two loops there is no intermediate node. Okay, now so we can say that this node and this loop and this loop are non-touching loop. Okay, now see, for this loop and this loop we have a common node. Okay, for this loop and this loop we have a common node. Okay, now for this outer loop also a common nodes. Okay, so here only one, this loop and this loop is non-touching loop, because there is no any intermediate loop between these two loops. Okay, so we have only one two non-touching loop. Okay, so understood. Okay, so how we find the individual loop and two non-touching loop. Okay, now we have another examples. Here we have a given set of linear algebraic equations. For this linear algebraic equations we have to construct the SFG, then we have to find out the number of forward path, individual loop and two non-touching loop. Okay, so this is the examples for this set of linear algebraic equation. Now we draw the SFG, construct the SFG. So here see, all variables y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 are nodes. Okay, so first we draw this all nodes. y1, this is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Okay, so all these nodes I represent. Okay, now see the first example, first equation, y2 equal to y1 plus 2y3. Okay, so y2 equal to y1 means gain will be 1. Okay, plus 2y3. So draw a branch from y3 to y2, gain will be 2. So y2 equal to y1 plus 2y3. Okay, now for next equation, y3 equal to 3y2 plus 4y4. Okay, so y3 equal to 3y2 plus 4y4. Okay, now next is y4 equal to 5y3 6y plus 6y4 plus 7y5. Okay, so y4 equal to 5y3. Okay, 5y3. Okay, now 6y4 plus 7y5. Okay, so this is the now y5 equal to what? y5 equal to 8y4 plus 9y2. So y5 equal to 8y4 plus 9y2. Okay, same examples, I think 9y2. Now y6 equal to y5. I already draw in the previous examples, same examples, I think. Okay, so this is the SFG. Okay, now for this SFG we have to find out the forward path. I already find out the forward is here. Two forward paths. One forward path is this. Okay, so P1. Now what is gain here? 1:3:5:8. Okay, so 120. Another forward path is this. Okay, what will the gain? 9 into 1 into 1, so 9. So we have a two forward path, which one gain is 120, another gain is 9. Okay, now individual loop. So already we see that we have a 5 loop. So there is a one loop. We start from this nodes and end at this node. Okay, so what is gain here? Loop gain. So for loop 1, okay, what is gain here? 3 into 2, so 6. Loop gain will be 6. For this loop we have again loop to L2, which gain will be 5 into 4, so 20. Okay, now for next this loop, 8 and 7, so L3 will be 56. Okay, now for this loop gain will be only 6, so loop 4 will be 6. Okay, and last outer loop L5, which will be this 9 into 7 into 4 into 2. Okay, so loop 5 will be 9 into 7 into 4 into 2. Okay, so this will be the, for this examples we have a two forward path, and this is the individual loop. Okay, and what is non-touching loop gain? Okay, in short, NTL, non-touching loop gain 1 is this, only this loop and this loop are non-touching because this have no intermediate nodes, and for any other loops we have a common nodes. Okay, so here loop gain is 6 and here loop gain is 6, so 6 into 6, so 36. So only one non-touching loop gain, which gain is 36. Okay, now till now we understood the how we construct the SFG from the set of linear algebraic equation, and for this algebraic equations, how we find out the forward path gain, individual loop, and two non-touching loop gain. Okay, but I will in the first I told you that SFG tells the transfer function of the system, overall transfer function of the systems. Now how we find out the overall transfer function of the systems? With the help of Messian-Gain rules. Okay, Messian-Gain rules. What is Messian-Gain rules? transfer function equal to ratio of sink to source. If my sink is C, represented by C, and source is represented by R, so transfer function C by R equal to summation of k equal to 1 to n pk del k by delta. Okay, where delta is 1 minus summation of single loop gain plus summation of two non-touching loop gain product minus summation of three non-touching loop gain product, and goes on. Okay, so on. And here n is nothing but number of forward path, pk is kth forward path gain, and del k is delta calculated for those loop which don't have common node with respect to the kth forward path. Okay, del k is nothing but delta. Delta is what? Simply delta is 1 minus summation of single loop gain plus summation of 1 minus summation of single loop gain plus summation of two non-touching loop gain product minus summation of three non-touching loop gain product, and so on. So del k is delta calculated for those loop, okay, which don't have common node with respect to the kth forward path. Okay, through these examples we can easily understood how we find out, how we use this machine. Now we see the properties of delta. So delta depends only on loop gain. Okay, delta consists of alternating sign. We have already seen that delta consists alternating sign. For odd loop combination negative, and for even loop combination is positive. Okay, so this is the properties of delta. Delta depends only on loop gain. Delta consists of alternating sign. For odd loop combination negative, and for even loop combination is positive. Okay, and note that delta k will be 1. Delta k will be 1 when kth forward path is not having any common node with respect to all the loops. Okay, so in the previous I told you that del k is delta calculated for those loops which don't have common node, okay, with respect to kth forward path. Okay, but if we use del k equal to 1 for when kth forward path is not having any common node. If we have a common node, then we calculate the del k. If we don't have any common node with respect to all loops, okay, in that case del k will be 1. Okay, now we have examples. For this SFG we have to find out overall transfer function. Okay, we have a given SFG. For this SFG we have to find out the overall transfer functions, okay, with the help of machine gain formula. Okay, now we say first we have to find out how many forward path and what is forward path gain, and how many loops, their loop gains, and how many two non-touching loop gains. Okay, two non-touching loop and their loop gain. Okay, so for these examples we have a one forward path is this. Okay, this is one forward path. Okay, so L1 will be, so what is gain here? 1 into G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 into 1. So we have a loop for forward path gain is G1, G2, G3, G4. This is one forward path. And another forward path, if we see, we have another path is this. This is the another path. Okay, so for this path 1, G5, 1. So another path P2 is G5. Okay, so we have a two forward path. Okay, now how many loops? One single loop. We start from this nodes. Come back to this same nodes. So we have a L1, H gain is G3 and minus H2. So L1 will be minus G3 H2. Okay, another loop will be this. We start from this node and at same nodes. So gain will be L2. L2 will be G4 minus G4 into H3. Okay, this is loop 2. Another loop will be this. Okay, so L3 is simply minus H1. Okay, minus H1. Okay, so now for this forward path, if we start from these nodes come back, but here see arrow sign is this direction, we cannot go this direction, so this will be the not another loop. Okay, so we have only this nodes, this loop, so we have only 3 loops. Okay, and the loop will be no. If we start from here, okay, go through the arrow direction. Okay, but here this is in this direction and we try to come back this direction, so this oppose now, so this will be the no valid loop. Okay, so we have only 3 loops. Okay, now non-touching loop. See, for this loop and for this loop, okay, there is no intermediate, there is a intermediate nodes. Okay, so this loop and this loop is non-touching loop. Okay, so what is gain here? G3 H2 H1, so minus will be plus, so G3 H2 H1 and another loop, this loop and this loop also is non-touching loop, so NTL2 will be G4 H3 H1. Okay, so this is my forward path gain, loop, individual loop gain and 2 non-touching loop gain. Now we use the Messiaen gain formula. With the help of Messiaen gain formula, we can easily find out the transfer function. Okay, so what is Messiaen gain formula? Messiaen gain is C by R. So here CS and RS. Okay, so CS by RS equal to, so here 2 forward path is, okay, so P1 del K, P1 del 1 plus P2 del 2 by delta, because what is Messiaen gain formula? Summation of K equal to 1 to n Pk del K by delta. So here only n is number of forward path, here 2 forward paths, so P1 del 1 plus P2 del 2 by delta. Okay, now P1 is this, so G1 G2 G3 G4. Okay, now see, for this forward path, all loops are touching, any nodes which are not touching this forward path, so del K will be 1. I already told you that if no in any nodes which is touching that forward path, in that case del K will be 1. So here del K will be 1, so multiplied by 1 plus another part is G5, okay, so another path is G5. Now for this case, for this forward path, okay, for this forward path, see this loop and this loop, this node and these 2 nodes are not touching that forward path. Now see, this loop is touching this forward path, but this loop and this loop is not touching that forward path, so we have to find out here del K. Okay, so del K is what? Simply 1 minus of summation of single loop gain. Summation of single loop gain means minus H1. Okay, now this loop also minus G3 H2, okay, plus summation of 2 non-touching loop gain product, summation of 2 non-touching loop gain product. So here see this loop and this loop, both are non-touching loop. So plus G3H2H1. Okay. So just I remove this part. Okay. By delta. So this is by delta. Delta is what? Simply 1 minus summation of single loop gain. So we have a loop gain is minus G3H2, we already find out, minus G4H3 minus H1 plus summation of two non-touching loop gain product. Okay, one is G3H2H1 plus G4H3H1. Okay, G4H3H1. Okay, if we simplify this, we get a transfer function CS by RS equal to G1, G2, G3, G4 plus G5 into 1 plus H1 plus G3H2 plus G3H2H1 by 1 plus G3H2 plus G4H3 plus H1 plus G3H2H1 plus G4H3H1. So this is the overall transfer function for this SFG. Okay, this is the overall transfer function of this SFG. So now we see that with the help of Masonian formula we can easily find out the transfer function, overall transfer function for any system. Okay, now I take another examples. Now we have a block diagram. This is block diagram. Okay, for this block diagram we have to find out the overall transfer function of this block diagram. Okay, see, this is the block diagram. First approach is we have to construct the SFG for this block diagram. If we have a SFG, then we can easily write the transfer function with the help of Masonian formula. Okay, so see, this is the block diagram. How we construct the SFG? Okay, simply all the points, this is RS, this is one node, this is summing node is one node. Now here also one branch is going now, so this is also a one node. Okay, suppose this is my this is one node. Okay, 1 2 3. Now again here nodes. Okay, here also out there is one, there is more than two nodes, two branches, so this is also nodes. Okay, 5 6. Okay, 7 8. First we have to simply find out the nodes from the block diagram. Okay, there is more than two branches terminated, so we just put a node. Okay, so simply node is a connection. So simply we have to first draw the nodes. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this. Okay, now put the nodes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, all these 8 nodes we draw all nodes 8. Okay, now see, from 1 to 2 simply nothing is given, so 1 gain will be 1. So from this to this gain will be 1. Okay, now from 2 to 3 simply nothing is given, so 2 to 3 nothing is given, so simply gain will be 1. Now from 3 1 is going to G1 to node 4. Okay, 3 to 4, from 3 nodes 1 is outgoing G4 and 1 is outgoing G1. Okay, so from 3 node 1 is going to G4 and 1 is going to G1. G1 is going to 4 at node 4, so at node 4 G1. Okay, now at node 4 one is outgoing G5 and incoming is H2, okay, from node 5, okay. So here see, one is outgoing G2 and incoming from node 5 H2, so minus H2, okay. Now from 5 to 6, 5 to 6 is nothing is given, so 1, 5 to 6 is 1, okay. Now at 6 also see, from 3 to 6 G4 is coming now, so from 3 to 6 G4, so we connect G4 at 6, okay. Now from 6, one outgoing is G3 and one incoming is H3, okay. So see, at 6 G3 is outgoing and incoming is H3, this is H3, okay, incoming. And from at 7 to 8 nothing is given, so one node gain is 1, 1. Now 7 to 3, 7 to 3 gain is H1, okay, 7 to 1. So just from the block diagram we draw the SFG, okay. Now this is the SFG, then we can easily find out now transfer function with the help of Masonian formula. So Masonian formula is CS by RS equal to, first we have to find out number of forward path. So we have a one forward path is this is one forward path, okay, this is one forward path, which gain is G1 G2 G3. see, one forward path is G1 G2 G3. Now another forward path is this, another forward path will be this, okay. So for this forward path gain will be G4 G3 G4 G3, okay. Now loop here, one loop is this G2 H2, okay, and loop one, another loop will be G3 H3, okay, and other loop will be this, from here start from here, okay, G1 G2 G3 H1, okay, G1 G2 G3 H1, okay. Now another loop will be this, from start from here for this forward path, G4 G3 H1, okay, G4 G3 H1, okay. This is the loop. And what is non-touching loop? Now see, this loop and this loop are non-touching loop, okay. So G2 H2 G3 H3, so G2 G3 H2 H3 are non-touching loop gain, okay. And now see, this outer loop and this loop is also non-touching loop, so this is also a non-touching loop gain. So non-touching loop gain will be G3 G4 H1 into G2 H2, okay. Now just put in Masonian formula. So Masonian formula, here two forward path, so P1 del 1 plus P2 del 2, okay. So P1 is G1 G2 J3, okay, del 1, we have to find out del 1, okay. Now another path is G4 G3, this is del 2, okay. Now see, for this forward path, all loops are touching, so del k will be 1, so G1 G2 G3 into 1, okay. Now for another path, for this forward path G4 G3, see, this loop is not touching, so we have to find out del k, okay. So G4 G3 into del k is nothing but delta, so here only one loop G2 H2, so 1 minus of summation of single loop gain, so 1 minus of G2 H2, so this becomes 1 plus G2 H2 by 1 minus del k by delta is what? 1 minus of summation of single loop gain first, so 1 minus of G2 H2 minus of G3 H2 minus of G1 G2 G3 H1 minus of G3 G4 H1, okay. So this becomes plus na, minus plus, so 1 plus of G3 H3 G2 H2 plus G1 G2 G3H1 plus G3G4H1. Now next plus summation of product of two non-touching loop gain. Okay, so two non-touching loop, one is this loop and this loop is non-touching, so G2H2 G3H2, so plus G2 G3 H2 H3. okay, plus another loop, this outer loop, okay, and this loop are non-touching, so G3 G4 H1 and G2 H2, so product will be G2 H2 into G3 G4 H1. so overall transfer function will be for this block diagram CS by RS equal to G1 G2 G3 plus G4 G3 into 1 plus G2 H2 by 1 plus G3 H3 plus G2 H2 plus G1 G2 G3 H1 plus G3 G4 H1 plus G2 G3 H2 H3 plus G2 H2 G3 G4 H1. okay, now this is the last examples. We have also given this block diagram. Now we, without drawing the SFG, we have to find out the overall transfer function with the help of Masonian formula. okay, see this, simply we have to write the transfer function, okay, without drawing the SFG, how we find out the transfer function with the help of Masonian. Now see, for this block diagram, this is my source node and this is my sink node. okay, so we have to go to source to sink. okay, so one path will be this, okay, what is path again? G1 G2 G3, so right here G1 G2 G3, we don't know the del K. okay, just be blank for this. okay, now another path will be this G4, come back here, G2 G3, we can write now. So we have another path is G4 G2 G3, we have to find out del K. okay, now next another path, we start from here G4, okay, we already take this now. Next move here, okay, come back to CS. So we have another path G4 G3, we have to find out del K here by delta. Now see, what we have a one loop is this minus G3H1, loop will be this, we start from here. okay, now you tell me, here this we start from here, come back to here. okay, come back to here, so this is one loop G3H1. now you tell me this will be the loop? no, if we start from these nodes, now see here, this is the direction arrow, we can't go this like this path. okay, so this will be the node path, this will be the node loop. okay, so another loop will be this, we G2 G3 H1 H2, we can come back to this. okay, we come back to this G2 G3 H1 H2 like this. okay, now another loop will be here, we start from this node G1 G2 G3 and H1 H2 H3, come back to these nodes. okay, so this will be one loop. okay, so right here single loop 1 plus क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट इज G3H1 G3H1 plus another loop is G2H2. so no, not G2H2, this is not single loop, so from here, so G2 G3H1 H2 plus another loop is this, so G1 G2 G3 H1 H2 H3. okay, now any other loop for this forward path, if we go like start from this like no other loop. Okay, so for this forward we don't have any loops. Okay, so for this forward path all loops are touching, so del k will be 1. Okay, del k will be 1. Now for this forward path g4 g2 g3 g4 g2 g3 also all loops are touching, so del k will be 1. Now for this forward path g4 g3 also all loops are touching, so del k will be 1. Okay, and here non touching loop are 0, no. Okay, so here transfer function, overall transfer function for this block diagram is g1 g2 g3 plus g4 g2 g3 plus g4 g3 by 1 plus g3 h1 plus g2 g3 h1 h2 plus g1 g2 g3 h1 h2 h3. Okay, thanks.